Winter is here, tell me I can go far away from the ice and snow. Take me to where the air is sweet, wind in my hair and sand at my feet. I'm taking it all in stride, hoping the waters are wide, and we will dive in deep and stay at sea. Voices are calling, I don't know who, 'cause the only one that I hear is you. Laugh with me shy like the day we met, and let's go to places we haven't yet. We're taking it all in stride, hoping the waters are wide, and we will dive in deep and stay at sea. A shiver reminds me that I'm at home, but your hand...
Thing that lives in the woods here? Ooh, scary story. So, it was a long time ago, and it was in this very cabin building. And one day they decided to bulldoze it down and build a new one over the top of it. He was still in here! They bulldozed right over the top of him. And days, like on Friday nights, when it's all rainy and muddy like this, he comes out of the ground and attacks all the men! Wow, I can't keep a straight face!
Well, you can't.
Austin,
Rainy Friday nights.
are you gonna do the polar bear swim tomorrow?
Of course I am.
I know.
Hey Hannah, are you gonna do the polar bear swim?
Yeah.
You are? Are you gonna do the polar bear swim?
No,
Why not?
because I don't have a swimsuit and my mom won't let me. She told me I'm not allowed to go in the water.